This 2025 Keystone Montana High Country 311RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features a Kingston interior, sleeps 6, oven, water heater, slide-out, external shower, LP detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, microwave, skylight, smoke detector, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Montana High Country 311RD is 11,880 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.